Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I got this cool kit that I had on a haul video just recently, but I said I was going to circle back and come check these out. This one, and I have a second one I'll do in another video, Lamborghini Yoda. But this Lamborghini Countach LP 500S, 1/20th scale, and this was a Fujimi packaged by Testors. When I bought these two kits, they came with a few others, but these two, I didn't realize they were 1/20th scale, which is slightly bigger than obviously 1/24th. But I got to looking, and these are can be kind of an expensive kit, whether it be a Fujimi or a Testors kit. So I got a great deal on like 3 or 4 model kits that I got from the same person. But I want to open this one up and show you. It has opening doors and all kind of neat things. So we'll open it up and check out the parts in this thing. And I would love to say I would build this, but I keep saying I want to build everything that I open, and I'm running out of lifetime. I figured the other day I had somewhere probably near 500 model kits, and I was like, you know, is it possible that I could even build all of these things? So I got the trusty calculator out, and I said, well, you know, if one model kit takes a month, I think that would take, what was it? I think I would be like almost 90 years old before I'd get them all built. But anyway, yeah, we won't worry about that. We'll just keep collecting and build them also, and one day somebody will enjoy a really nice stash. Anyway, here's your instructions. Lamborghini Countach. These are the weird, put batteries in them, kits that were old Japanese kits that were, you know, battery powered. So these, okay, so I don't guess the detail is super great as far as the innards of it. Like, apparently it doesn't even have an engine, or it doesn't have an actual engine that you build, but maybe, okay, so like it's got a battery compartment and stuff. These are neat. The Pantera Del Tomaso Pantera GTS, I've got 3 of those now, 1/24 scale. They have no detail as far as the underside or anything like that, but the bodies are great, and it looks like build up to an awesome car. And this one, you know, may as well build up to a really nice build. Let me grab something and I'll open some of these packages up and check them out. I won't open the glass because I don't want it to get scratched or damaged, but it's got the big front windshield, side windows that don't roll down. Well, it's like part of it would go down, I don't remember, but on a Countach it was kind of weird how the windows operated. And here, let's see, I can leave these in the package as well. There's your 2 doors. What a bizarre looking car, really, if you think about it. Jay Leno says that the thing was not aerodynamic at all. Like, not aerodynamic at all. There's the rear spoiler, which is really cool. Almost just like an airplane wing. But a nice rear spoiler. I think this is the lower portion where the engine would be or something like that. Basically a battery cover. Here's some hinges, I'm thinking, for the back deck lid. Looks like that might be the deck lid. I'm not 100% sure if it is or isn't. There's some steering components on it. It's like an on and off slide switch. More than likely that's what that is, where an on and off switch would have been, and it would slide. I bet that's what that is. Yeah, here's your zero detail engine. So that just fits down in there. I would not even detail it. I would just keep the rear deck closed. That's what I would do. 2 steering wheels. You've got this steering wheel, and you've got that steering wheel. Interesting. Big, giant windshield wiper, I believe is what that is. Here's your steering, your rack and pinion steering. It's not really, but it does have a rack of gears there, but that is just clicks. You can click the front wheels and they would hold position. And looks like some part of the rear bumper or something like that right there. Emergency brake, clutch, brake, and gas pedal, mirrors, some other odds and ends, and another piece of the body, possibly around the front, maybe the front nose portion or something like that. Here are the chrome pieces, which I'm starting to like chrome paints so much that I probably would de-chrome them and excuse me, and paint them myself. Just the chrome sometimes doesn't look very realistic on kits, and I found if you at least know what you're doing with the chrome paints excuse me again, you can make them look very nice. So here are your carburetors, I think, for the engine. Again, if I built this kit, wouldn't even open the back deck. Light buckets, it looks like, part of where the I don't know, maybe, I'm not sure what that is, not quite sure, or these things here. But anyway, you got the big Lambo wheels, which honestly I thought that Countach had, those almost remind me of Diablo wheels, but I guess not. No, I'm looking at another 500 LP 124 scale on my shelf, and it has these as well. So they would need to be re-chromed anyway, because there's some flash in the center holes and things like that. You'd want to clean that up, and when you do so, it the chrome, you know, have to knock the chrome off. There's the exhaust tip number one, and the other one is down here in the box. Rear view mirror. I think these are supposed to be brake disc, if I'm not mistaken. Brake disc. And your instrument panel, and all kind of little, what in the heck are these things? I don't know if they're seat belts. Looks like seat belts. Seatbelt buckles, I think. It's pretty cool that if they are indeed seatbelt buckles. And here are your interior components. Your top of your dash. It's very textured. Looks nice, actually. Dashboard with the radio with the push buttons. Check it out. What if it really had a push button radio? You remember the ones that you would hit the button and it would go to at least close to another channel? Here is your gated shifter, center console. That's cool. I want to drive a car one day that's got a gated shifter. That would just be too cool. Door panels here. I'm 100% sure what this thing is. And then your seats, nicely done. They look nice. And some other little hinge parts, possibly. I'm not sure what those are. And then here are the Lamborghini tires. There you go, made in Japan. Get this open so I can lose some of this stuff. Your metal axles and your gear. So there's your drive gear, but there's no motor, but they still, you know, they still send the drive gear, which is weird. But anyway, there's your axle with the drive gear. You got a front and rear axle, some other, got a pinion gear as well, pinion for your motor. Got some screws and some little bitty wire, and those may be for hinges or something like that. Now these tires are awesome. Let's see if I can get these in. So look at that. Wow, those are really nice. And then it's, let's see if I can get the I'm trying to read it. Pirelli. Heck, I can't read it. Pirelli. No. Yeah, I can't. Pirelli center, I can't see. But they are Pirellis. They are 2, I see the size. 285, 40. Does that say 15? R15? Surely not. Surely that'd be bigger than 15-inch rims, but I don't know. And then the front ones are equally as nice. Very soft and pliable. And these are, let's see if it still says 15. It does. 205, 55 VR15. That's amazing that they can put that such small, legible letters on these tires. And then the difference in the front and rear. Look at that, man. That is too cool. But the softest, nicest rubber tires ever. Love it. And they're made in Japan. All right, let's get to the body. I saved it for last. Actually, let's get to the undercarriage. Okie dokie. So, here is your simple undercarriage that would hold, looks like 3 AA batteries. Yep, look at there. Even shows you the direction of the battery should be put in there. So, no detail. Oh, there's your on and off. Like that. Because it's not remote control, it just would turn on and drive. But there's none of that electrical stuff in here. But anyway, okay. Switch. Underside of this thing would get no detail. I'd paint it black, and that would be it. This would be a top side only. Oh, it does have low and high range, though. Let's see, it says low right here over my thumb. And high over here, so you and the wheels would go twice as fast or whatever. Yeah, pretty neat. In the body, I'm looking at it myself, so that's why I was being kind of silent here. Place right here would have to have some work. Let me get it focused in. Right there above my thumb is a dip, but that's not a problem. It's an easy place to sand. Lamborghini Countach right there on the back. I would die to be able to ride in one of these one time. Let me know in the comments, guys. Have you ever got to ride in a Lamborghini Countach? What a iconic, classic European sports car, supercar. Like, got it going. Wouldn't this thing run like almost 200 miles an hour? But for them to say it's not aerodynamic, it would blow my mind, because it looks like a wedge. So you would think it would just cut through the air like a knife. But maybe not. Yeah, it's really cool. And I'm glad I got it. There's the bull. There he is. The bull. The Lamborghini. What does Lamborghini even mean? Maybe does it mean bull? I don't know. They started making tractors. Did y'all know that? That Lamborghini started life as a tractor manufacturer. And they continue to make tractors. Continued. I don't know if they still do today. But they did. They make tractors. I just wanted to show you guys, share the internal contents of this very cool Testors model kit. And honestly looks like you could probably build this thing. The 99% of the time is going to be prepping the body and painting it and everything else, and stripping maybe the chrome. But yeah, this might be one that I can build anyone in here, but maybe one that I might build. Okay, one thing that I'm noticing, I didn't see red taillights. Let's see if they are. Okay, you have to paint them apparently. Because here are the taillight lenses. Right there. One of them. Where's the other one? Right here. So So I guess you have to spray those, which is no problem. You can paint the backside of a clear part and it makes it look like with flat red paint, and it looks nice and shiny. Okay, all right, well, anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. Although I'm kind of all over the place at times, I think you've learned that about me. But glad I got this kit. Glad I got the Lamborghini Yoda, spelled J-O-T-A. I thought it was a Joda, but I was corrected. It's a Yoda, like the little green guy off Star Wars that says sentences in reverse order. But thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you've ever ridden in a Countach, built this kit, ever seen one that actually had the motor and batteries in it, and like, did you have one of those? I mean, it would be cool, but I wouldn't want to spend much time in building my model kit to just let it run under the living room couch and scratch it all up or something. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to go check out Hobby Nut Models. When this, if perhaps I paint this or build this kit, it will be getting paint that I purchased from Hobby Nut Models. I encourage you to go check out Mark's inventory over there at Hobby Nut Models, linked in the description below. All of his MCW paints and Tamiya paints and all those things. Go check it out. Facebook group, thank you to everyone who has contributed to that. Go check out the Facebook group. All these are linked in the description, as well as the Spring Store and the Patreon group. So go check all those out. Everything that I always mention linked in the description below, as well as Ruthie's channel. If you hadn't already checked out her channel, it's not real guyish, but if you guys have wives or girlfriends, point them over to Ruthie's channel. Ask them to subscribe and support her. And my mom's cooking channel's in there as well. Chris Callan Auto Art. All kinds of stuff in the description of my videos. Go check it out. And hey guys, we'll see you all on the next video. Take care.